Nobody teaches you this in your 20s. Nobody mentions it in your 30s. And by the time you reach 60, the decade when style should feel the most natural, the most earned, the most completely yours, the fashion world has already moved on to someone younger. But here's what they missed. The women who look the most elegant, the most polished, the most magnetic right now are not younger women. They are women exactly your age. And they are doing 9 very specific things every single day that almost nobody is talking about. Today, that changes. Before we go further, this channel exists for women who refuse to become invisible. Subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell. There is so much more coming your way. Secret number 1. Build your wardrobe on quality essentials. This is the foundation, the ground floor, the thing everything else rests on, and the thing most women skip entirely because they're too busy reacting to trends. The most elegant women in the world are not wearing the most clothes. They are wearing the right clothes. And I don't mean the most expensive, I mean the most intentional. A perfectly tailored blazer, a crisp white shirt that sits just right on your shoulders, a pair of well-draping trousers that move beautifully when you walk, a little black dress that makes you feel completely unstoppable the moment you slip it on. These are not just garments. These are daily confidence boosters. These are the pieces that work again and again, season after season, without ever feeling tired or outdated. When you build on quality essentials, something remarkable begins to happen. You stop spending more and start spending better. You stop asking, "What do I wear today?" And you start asking, "Which version of my best self do I want to show up as today?" That is a completely different energy, and people around you can feel it. Before reaching for another trendy top, you'll wear twice and push to the back of the closet. Ask yourself one question. Will this piece serve me for years? Yes. Invest. No. Walk away. Your wardrobe should be curated, not cluttered. Quality over quantity is not just a phrase. For women over 60, it is a lifestyle philosophy that pays dividends every single morning. Secret number 2. Embrace the power of a capsule wardrobe. The word capsule gets thrown around so much that it has started to sound restrictive, boring even. So let's reframe it completely. A capsule wardrobe is not a limitation. It is a liberation. Picture opening your closet tomorrow morning and knowing, truly knowing, that everything inside works together. No mismatched colors. No, "what was I thinking when I bought this" moments. No frantic searching for something that goes with something else. Just clarity. Just ease. Just choice. A capsule wardrobe is about having fewer clothes, but more possibilities. When every piece coordinates naturally, you always look polished and consistent without trying hard at all. You walk out the door feeling calm, prepared, like yourself. And that grounded confidence is completely visible to every person around you. People don't always know why certain women look so consistently put together. But this is exactly why. The work was done up front, so every single day becomes effortless. Building a capsule wardrobe takes a little time at the beginning, but once it's done, getting dressed becomes one of the most enjoyable parts of your day rather than the most stressful. At this chapter of your life, you deserve that ease. Secret number 3. Speak the language of quiet luxury. Minimalist chic, what the fashion world now calls quiet luxury, is never about shouting. It is never about big logos across your chest or flashy prints that announce themselves before you even enter a room. Quiet luxury is about something far more sophisticated. It's about luxury you can feel, not just see. Soft cashmere that rests gently on your skin. Breathable linen that moves with your body on a warm afternoon. Buttery, supple leather that deepens and improves with every passing year. These textures elevate even the simplest outfit into something that radiates genuine sophistication. And here's the beautiful truth about quiet luxury. It works at every price point. You don't need to spend a fortune to embrace this aesthetic. You need to choose deliberately. You need to choose fabrics that feel as luxurious as they look. When you wear quiet luxury, you send a message to the world. And that message is clear. I don't need to try too hard. I already know who I am. For a woman over 60 who has lived fully, loved deeply, and earned every piece of her wisdom, that message is completely and utterly true. Secret number 4. Master the monochromatic look. This is the one. The one that will completely rewire how you think about getting dressed in the morning. One of the most powerful and most underused style techniques in existence. And it is absolutely perfect for women over 60. Here's how it works. One color, head to toe. A soft, warm beige from your top down to your shoes. A deep, rich navy from your blouse to your trousers. A clean, crisp white from head to hem. What this single technique achieves is extraordinary. It creates a streamlined, sophisticated silhouette that reads as immediately polished. It elongates the body, creating the illusion of height and grace. It projects quiet confidence without a single word spoken. Add one structured accessory, a beautifully crafted handbag, a piece of architectural jewelry, a silk scarf in a complementary neutral. And your outfit doesn't just look good, it commands presence. Elegant women have known this secret for decades. Fashion editors know it. Style icons live by it. The monochromatic look is deceptively simple. It requires almost no effort. But the impression it leaves is completely unforgettable. Try it once, and you will immediately understand why women who look effortlessly rich return to this formula again and again. Secret number 5. Choose texture over loud prints. This is something that causes genuine confusion in women's fashion, especially as we get older. So let's be clear about it. Prints are not inherently bad, but they are risky. Trendy prints date quickly. A bold floral that felt fresh one season can feel dated the next. A geometric pattern that seemed modern can start to feel like it belongs to a specific era rather than to a timeless woman. Texture, on the other hand, never goes out of style. Texture adds visual depth and interest without ever stealing the spotlight away from you. A cashmere sweater with a beautiful knit detail. A silk blouse that catches the light differently depending on how you move. A linen dress with subtle weaving that gives it dimension and richness. A wool coat with a soft boucle finish. These fabrics create a richness that whispers sophistication. They don't scream for attention. They earn it. The shift in thinking to carry forward from this. When the fabric speaks, you don't need loud patterns to make a powerful impact. Your presence makes the impact. The texture simply frames it beautifully. Secret number 6. Make tailoring your best-kept secret. This one deserves complete directness, because it may be the single most transformative secret on this entire list. Fit is everything. Full stop. No exceptions. No workarounds. You could walk into the most prestigious boutique in the world and spend more money than you've ever spent on a single garment. But when that garment doesn't fit your body properly, when the shoulders don't sit right, when the hem falls in the wrong place, when there's excess fabric where there shouldn't be, it will not do your style justice, not even close. On the other hand, a simple, modestly priced piece that has been perfectly tailored to your specific body, it will make you look like $1,000,000 every single time. This is the secret that high fashion women have always known and rarely shared. A hemline adjusted here, a nip taken in at the waist there, sleeves shortened by just an inch, and suddenly the garment looks like it was made specifically for you. Because in a very real sense, now it was. Building a relationship with a trusted tailor is one of the highest return style investments you can make. At 60 and beyond, when your body is exactly as it should be, lived in, real, and completely yours, tailoring becomes even more essential. This is not about changing your body. It is about honoring it with clothes that actually fit the body you have right now. That distinction matters enormously. Secret number 7. Carry your style with attitude and confidence. And now we arrive at the one that sits above all the others, the one no clothing store can sell you, the one no stylist can apply from the outside. The ultimate style secret has absolutely nothing to do with clothing, and everything to do with how you inhabit yourself. Style is about walking into any room and feeling completely at home in your own skin. It is about moving through the world with the quiet certainty of a woman who knows her worth and has stopped apologizing for taking up space. Confidence is the accessory that never goes out of fashion. It costs nothing. It never needs dry cleaning. And it elevates every outfit you put on, no matter how simple. The women you see who look truly elegant at 60, 70, and beyond, they are not necessarily wearing the most expensive clothes. They are wearing themselves. They carry their history with grace. They wear their age like a crown they earned. They have made peace with who they are, with every chapter they've lived through, with the body that has carried them through everything. And it shows in the way they stand, the way they walk, the way they enter a room and own it without a single word. That is the energy being cultivated here. That is what EverWise Older Women stands for. Secret number 8. Let accessories do the quiet talking. Here is a truth the most elegant women over 60 have deeply internalized. Less is always more when it comes to accessories. Always. So many women layer multiple competing pieces, stacking bracelets, necklaces, earrings, scarves all at once. And while the intention behind it is beautiful, the result is often visual noise. It pulls attention away from you, rather than drawing attention toward you. The elegant approach is different. Choose one intentional, well-crafted accent and let it do its work. A silk scarf in a sophisticated neutral draped effortlessly over your shoulders. A gold cuff bracelet on a bare wrist. A structured leather belt cinched at the waist to define your silhouette. A single strand of pearls against a clean neckline. One elevated accessory ties an entire outfit together and adds a finishing touch that looks completely curated, not cluttered or chaotic. The goal is always deliberate, never desperate. When you choose one beautiful piece and wear it with full confidence, that single accessory speaks volumes. It says you have taste. It says you have intention. It says you know exactly what you're doing. And you didn't need to overdo anything to prove it. Secret number 9. Anchor everything in a neutral color palette. This is the final secret. And in many ways, it is the one that holds all the others together. Truly elegant women, the ones who consistently look refined, polished, and effortlessly chic, build their entire wardrobe around a foundation of sophisticated neutrals: ivory, camel, taupe, stone, navy, soft grey. These colors carry an inherent refinement that trendy, highly saturated colors often simply cannot match. And here's why this matters so practically. A neutral palette means everything works with everything else. You never reach for a piece and realize it clashes with everything you own. Your wardrobe is never working against you. Every morning, it is working for you. Seamlessly, effortlessly, beautifully. A neutral palette photographs beautifully in any light. It reads as timeless rather than seasonal. Once you've built your wardrobe on this foundation, Coordinating your outfits becomes almost automatic. It frees up mental energy for the things that actually matter: your conversations, your relationships, your life. Think of your neutral palette as the silent architecture behind every effortlessly chic outfit you'll ever put together. It is the invisible framework that makes everything else possible. Now, let's bring all nine together, because seeing how they connect is where the real magic lives. When you invest in quality essentials and build a capsule wardrobe, you create the foundation. When you embrace quiet luxury through texture and a neutral palette, you elevate that foundation into something that radiates genuine sophistication. When you master the monochromatic look and use accessories with intention, you bring presence and polish to every single outfit. When you prioritize tailoring, you ensure that everything you wear honors exactly the body you're in. And when you carry all of it with confidence and attitude, with the full, unhurried weight of a woman who knows exactly who she is, you become magnetic. This is not about chasing youth, not about trying to look like someone else or recapture a decade that has already passed beautifully into memory. This is about something far more exciting and far more beautiful than that. This is about arriving, fully, completely, unapologetically, into the most stylish, most refined, most confident version of yourself, right now, at exactly the age you are. Elegance at any age, and especially over 60, is never about spending a fortune or chasing every trend that arrives each season. It's about intention. It's about quality. It's about fit. And it's about the quiet, unshakable confidence of a woman who has lived enough to know exactly who she is and exactly how she wants to show up in the world. These 9 secrets are not rules to follow rigidly. They are freedoms to embrace. They are tools that belong to you now. Use them, play with them, make them completely your own. And watch how the way you dress begins to reflect the extraordinary woman you already are. Take a moment right now and leave a comment below. Tell me which of these 9 secrets resonated most deeply with you. Every single comment gets read, and hearing from this community is one of the best parts of doing this. And to every woman watching who hasn't yet subscribed to EverWise Older Women, this is your moment. Click that subscribe button and become part of a community of women who are choosing to show up beautifully, intentionally, and powerfully at every age. There is so much more ahead: style, elegance, confidence, and the full, rich art of living well after 60. See you in the next one.